the early 80s, Honda engineers began experimenting with different engine and chassis layouts for future projects, of which a Honda City had been cut in half, with the engine installed behind the driver's seat with a rear-wheel drive configuration. The engineers loved the small midship car doing exciting laps around the company parking lot. This experience in part convinced Honda leadership that the company should consider developing a pure sports car. And in '84, Pininfarina was commissioned to design the concept car HPX, Honda Pininfarina Experimental, with a 2-liter V6 engine in a mid-mounted configuration. Thus the project began with an aim to be as fast as the Italian sports cars. Slowly, the name evolved into NSX, which stood for New Sports Car Experimental. This project was headed by Honda chief designer Masahito Nakano and executive chief engineer Shigeru Uehara, who was subsequently placed in charge of the S2000 project. The original performance target for Honda's new sports car was the Ferrari 328 and later the 348 as the design neared completion. Honda intended its sports car to meet or exceed the performance of the Ferrari while offering superior reliability for a much lower price, which it did. Over the course of development of the NSX, many engines were used, including a 2.7-liter V6 from the Honda Legend, then a non-VTEC 3-liter V6 outputting 250 HP. However, at the same time, Honda was working on its revolutionary VTEC, with plans to release it on the company's home market, 4-cylinder Integra. Honda's then president took notice of this and made sure that Honda's new flagship sports car comes equipped with the VTEC as well. As a result, the engine was redesigned very late in the development process to achieve the desired levels of performance and durability. A consequence of which was that the new engine was too large to fit in the NSX engine bay. As a result, the engineers were forced to tilt the entire engine backward approximately 5 degrees, a characteristic that continued all the way till '05. The exterior. The exterior design had been crafted by Uehara after studying the 360-degree visibility inside an F-16 fighter jet's cockpit. Thematically, the F-16 came into play in the exterior design as well, establishing the conceptual goals of the NSX. In the F-16 and other high-performance aircraft and vehicles, the cockpit is located far forward and in front of the power plant. This was done to optimize the visibility, while the long-tail design enhanced high-speed directional stability. The NSX was the first production car to feature an all-aluminum semi-monocoque, aluminum alloy frame, and suspension components, saving over 80 pounds of weight. Japanese Formula 1 driver Satoru Nakajima, along with the world champion Ayrton Senna, played a major role in improving the NSX chassis stiffness, suspension tuning and handling, increasing it by over 50% with little difference in weight. The NSX made its first public appearance in '89 at the Chicago Auto Show in February and at the Tokyo Motor Show in October of that year, receiving positive reviews. The NSX went on sale in Japan, North America and Hong Kong in 1990. The NSX design concept was a crown jewel of Honda's technology and had many of its F1 tech dripped down into it, standing at only 46 inches in height, making it a bit taller than the GT40, a racing car built solely to win at Le Mans. It was the world's first production car with titanium connecting rods, forged pistons, ultra-high revving capabilities, all traits of a race car. The cars were assembled by approximately 200 of Honda's highest skilled and most experienced personnel, a team of handpicked staff with a minimum of 10 years of assembly experience.